In this video, I'll show you how I use AI to uncover customer blind spots in any market and turn them into digital product ideas that practically sell themselves. I'm Jimmy Riley, and over the years, I've generated over $10 million selling digital products online, and I'm going to break this down into 4 simple steps you can start using today. Starting with step 1, which is we need to generate a list of products in your niche. More specifically, we want to find every product that solves a specific problem in your market. So the prompt that I use for this is, give me a list of every product that solves problem in niche. So a couple of examples could be, give me a list of products that solve lead generation in the online marketing niche. Give me a list of products that solve poor sleep quality in the wellness niche. Give me a list of products that solve budgeting for freelancers. Or even give me a list of products that solve weight loss for women over 40. Now, once you've identified the specific programs in your niche that solve that problem, we're going to move on to step 2, and we're going to have AI generate a list of complaints and pain points that all of those products have. Now, the prompt that I use to find this is search reviews on review sites for pain points and complaints in market for these products, and you put your product list here. Now, when suggesting review sites to the AI, I like to use Reddit, Amazon reviews, YouTube comments, web forums, Trustpilot, and also Etsy comments. Now, if your competitor products are on Amazon, like for example, if they're books or ebooks or even physical products, the process is easier because you can feed AI links directly to their Amazon sales page, and it can pull from the reviews right there. Now, this prompt is going to give you the most common complaints and pain points in the market, and step 3, we want to find the most common unresolved pain points. These are essentially the pain points and complaints that are common among every product and no product is addressing. This is the real blind spot here. And the prompt that I use to find this is, what are the most common complaints and pain points among these products that no product is addressing? And as a bonus, I like to ask, suggest ways to solve it with a new product. Essentially, we're going to develop our hook targeting the same audience, we're going to offer the same benefits, and we're going to eliminate all of the pain points that are in the other products that haven't been addressed. And so step 4 is the actual hook formula, which goes like this. I help target achieve benefit without pain points. It's very simple, and since AI is doing the research, it's practically foolproof. Let me give you a couple of examples in different markets. For example, I help single men find dates without apps. I help affiliates earn commissions without building sales funnels or spending money on ads. I help YouTubers build channels without showing their face. I help people sleep better without supplements or meds. I help people feel energized without caffeine. In fact, that's a great one. If you have an energy drink or a supplement for people that are trying to cut out caffeine, heck, I'd be a buyer for that one. You have, I help creators make money without launching products. I help teams adopt AI without breaking existing workflows. I help people switch careers without going back to school. I help women lose weight without doing endless cardio. By now you can see this is absolutely endless, and by addressing pain points no one else is addressing, you immediately have a unique position in the market. So now you know how to spot winning product ideas. The next piece is getting people to actually see them. In another video, I walk through the exact method our top affiliates are using to generate sales for us, including how they tap into traffic already going to those competitors, plus 2 other strategies that work quickly. You can watch that video right here.